First things first, appreciate your support. So this is a Samsung Tumble dryer, 8 kgs, that works well, but the drum won't stop rotating even after showing end on the display board here. So when you check online, it will tell you replace the motherboard. Yeah, there's a possibility that could be a motherboard, but before spending money on the motherboard, this is what you need to do. You power it off, and then we remove the top panel, because if there are issues with the cables, the plugs that bring in power to the motherboard, if they are rusted or there is some lint on it, because dryers accumulate a lot of lint, the machine will keep rotating even after it has said and, because it's still getting power all the time. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the top panel, but before that, at all times ensure it's unplugged from power, and then we remove the top panel. One here, another one here. So once you remove that, remove the top panel. That's how the dryer looks from the top. And then remove this off, for this collecting water. Just keep it there. And then we remove these 4 screws, 1 2 3 4. There's another one here. We remove that, and this one here, so that you can access the motherboard. So you use a screwdriver. So we remove this, and this, and the other two. The screws, you just pull it out like that, and now here we have the motherboard. So we're going to remove the cables, clean, and then we plug them back. So if you're not sure which cable goes where, you take a picture of it, take a video, a picture, so that you don't confuse when plugging them back. As you're going to do, we are going to sandpaper these two so that they're smooth, just in case there is something that is making it rough, interfering with the power. So we're going to clean this and this, and then we plug it back. So if you check here, this one looks a bit rusted from here, so we're going to clean all this. I'm going to sandpaper that, then I plug it back. So once that is done, now we plug back the cables. So you put it on quick dry. Oh, the door is not locked.